Pick Me Pumpkin. Perky Pumpkin learns patience. Early one autumn morning, as leaves fall from the trees, the winds whistle a special tune and sing in harmony. There is a spark of excitement in the air, like it has never been before. Only time will tell the marvelous things this day has in store. Far off in the distance, on a country road, is a pumpkin patch. Every autumn, families gather to pick their pumpkin match. But this season is extra special. You see, the stars have all aligned. A young pumpkin will be crowned king or queen because it is their time. Autumn colors fill the atmosphere as far as the eyes can see. Even a beautiful rainbow bursts through the clouds. It wants to take a peek. Available at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and SheimaEmporium.com.